channel. So today I'm doing the episode 2 of Shein Recreation, in which if you are unaware of this, what I do is I pick an outfit or top or whatever I like over there, and then I create it with very easy steps. This is basically just an idea comes from Shein, and the tutorial and the steps, easy steps, comes from me. So yeah, now you know that. And yeah, today is this one. I know many of you guys can't wear sleeveless or tops like these. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring sleeve ones as well. I just found this one very simple to do and looks very cool for parties and stuff. And since my birthday was yesterday, I want to thank all of you who commented and wished me on my birthday yesterday on my community page. Thank you so much, guys. It means a lot, seriously. And I did enjoy a lot. So yeah, these kind of tops are really trendy and they look super cool. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Here I'm taking this Tapeta Fabric, but you can also use pure cotton if you like. And this one is about 1.5 meters. Okay, now she enters and thinks I'm sitting on the floor to pet her. Now you guys tell me, how can one avoid cuteness like her? Okay, so next you have to fold your fabric in half. Here I folded it from its width. You can do from the length as well. Then take a t-shirt of your fitting and place it over the fabric like so. Then mark the side seams of the shirt starting from under the sleeves till the length you want. Then join the two side markings with the straight lines like so. Here I took the length of the top as 18 plus 1 inch seam allowance, that means total 19 inch. You can take it according to yourself. Then cut this piece out. Well, I cut out a kind of a square shape here, but you don't have to do this step as it was an unnecessary step from my side. Now then put the back and the front pieces wrong sides out and stitch them together from side seam. And alter it according to your fitting as well. Then hem the top and the bottom edge by double folding it and stitching over it to finish it. Then to make the box pleats of for our top, take either a long strap of about 17 inches or you can cut about 3 or 4 straps to make it into a long strap. 2 pieces at a time and stitch them together from their ends and keep attaching all the straps to make them into one long strap like this. Here is my long strap and I also hemmed its top and bottom edges. Now to make the pleats, first take measuring tape and then start marking 3-inch marks from one end of the strap like I'm doing here, and keep making them till you reach to the end of the strap. Once done, come back to the beginning and pick the second point and place it on top of the first mark and then pin it. And then pick the next mark and put it over the next one and pin it, and your first box pleat is done. Now let me show you once again on how to do it. See, basically take one mark, put it over the previous one, then take the next one and put it over the next one like I'm doing here. I hope you got it now, and keep doing this until you reach to the end. Since we want this to be as long as to cover our front, back and sleeves, make sure to make a long one. Then all you have to do is stitch the pleats in place, but not from the top where we pinned it, but from 2 inch below the top edge like this. And see, I've stitched the entire pleats but left the starting unstitched as we did not make a pleat there. And see, I have some extra fabric at the end as well. So take both the ends together like so and stitch them together like this to close its opening. Once it's stitched, just make one last pleat like I'm doing here and stitch it in place. Then take a thin strap of about 1 inch width and then fold its edges inside first and then fold it again into a thin strap and stitch over it. And this is how it should look like. Make one more. Then attach them onto your top, front and back like so, and stitch it in place. Once done, all you have to do is bring your pleats and pull your top from its inside like so and pin the pleats to the top in the front and the back starting from one side seam to another, and leave some pleats unpinned on the sides extra for sleeves like I left here. And to stitch it, all you have to do is re-stitch over the existing pleat stitch, that is 2 inch below the top edge of the pleats, which we did earlier to stitch the pleats together, and you have to re-stitch over it, and that's it. See, I left this much part of the arms to go through. You have to leave that as well. Now you can adjust it according to your arm width and you're done.
Tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel that is right over here. Don't forget to do that before you leave this video, and also don't forget to turn on that notification bell button so that you guys know whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna try and upload twice a week if I can make it, because I have literally 4 channels with me to hand. I'm trying to be consistent on every channel from now on. So yeah, I will try though. And if you have any Shein top or dress you want me to make, do DM me on my Instagram, that is right over here, and you can follow me there. I'm super close to 15k. Yes, I'm still super close only to 15k and I've not reached 15k yet. That's sad, but yeah. I also want to say that if you feel like this is dropping like this when you wear it, what you can do is, which I also realized that I could have done that, is that take this the falling pieces and just do a very small stitch, like very small taka. You can do that and just make it stick there so that it doesn't fall out. But I forgot to do that because when I wore it, then only I realized that it might just fall sometimes, so I just have to press it like this. So yeah, do that if you don't want to hassle with the ruffles. And you can also wear it like this. Well, at least that's what I felt, that you can wear it like this. This is how it will look. You do whatever you like. Today's feature goes out to Gayatri, Bhaskar and Ruchi. Thank you so much guys for your lovely comments. You take your precious time and comment on my videos and hit that like button as well. Yeah, I feature 3 of you guys in every DIY video of mine. So if you want to get featured in my next DIY, all you have to do is turn that subscribe button gray if you haven't done it yet, and also turn that notification bell button that is right there, and you just have to click on it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next DIY video guys. Bye.